Radiation. Radiation is the third method of heat transfer. It is totally different from conduction and convection because conduction and convection requires the material medium, whereas radiation does not require the material medium. It can travel without contact or with or without any material medium. So radiation is a transfer of heat in which hot objects travels in which the heat travels from hot object to the cold object by means of heat rays without any material medium. So every hot object emits or gives out the invisible heat rays which we can feel. So this heat rays when travel through vacuum or empty space can make the object, the cold object hot. So this is called radiations. For example, when we switch on an electric bulb, we feel the hotness. If we keep our hand near the bulb, then we will feel the warmth of hotness. Why? Because due to the heat rays. So every hot object emits heat rays. So radiation is that process in which the heat rays travels without any material medium or without any contact. So some examples are given here. We all like to sit in the sun or near the fire during cold weather because we feel warm when we all sit in the sun or near the fire. Sun is very far away from earth, and sun heat rays travels from the earth from the sun to the earth through a vacuum, and it takes only 8 minutes to travels in the towards the earth. So how this happened? This happens due to the method of radiations. So when the heat flows from a hot body to a cold body without any contact or with or without any medium between them is called radiation. Underline this line. When the heat flows from a hot body to a cold body without any medium or with medium between them is called radiation. So we get the heat from the sun by radiation. So every hot object gives out the invisible heat rays. So what type of heat rays comes from the sun? Basically the infrared visible heat rays comes toward the earth, which makes the substance, which makes us the object and also everyone, human being or the living being, hotter due to the invisible heat rays, that is called as infrared rays. The amazing fact about radiation is that it requires no medium, and due to radiation the heat can travel even through vacuum. Every single day the rays of the sun travel through the vacuum of space to reach us. You must know that there is no air to transfer the heat in space. Hence, the sun rays reaches us through radiation. So we can say that just like light, heat waves or radiation can flow in the presence of medium, air or water, or even without a medium, that is a vacuum. So that is called as radiation. So radiation is a transfer of heat which takes place from hot object to the cold object by means of heat rays. So heat rays we feel. Here the picture is given. While when we fire the wood, so when we fire the wood, when we keep our hand just above the fire, we will feel the heat hot. Why? Due to the convection, because hot air always rises up. And if we place an iron rod just near the fire, then after some time you will not be able to handle that iron rod because conduction takes place. And if we keep our hand sideways, little far away from the fire, then you also feel the warmth of the fire. Why? Due to the radiations. That means hot of fire, the fire emits the heat rays. So that's why you feel the warmth or hotness. So do you know AC, air conditioners fitted at height on the wall? AC are fitted at higher levels on the walls of a room because the cooled air, we need the cooled air. Actually AC makes our room cooled. So as you know, since the temperature is high in summer, so hot air goes up and the cool air from the AC comes down, and which makes our room cool. But what happened in the winter season? Why we keep room heater on floor? We keep room heater on floor because the room heater makes the temperature, makes the air warm, because all the cool air occupies the space just in the lower part, and the cool air become hot and it goes up, and in this way the room become hot. So that's why AC are fitted at upper level at height, whereas the room heater are kept at the floor. Do you know the color of an object also decide the amount of heat absorbed? So an object with black color absorbs the maximum heat radiations as compared to the white color. So the object which absorb more heat radiation also emit more heat radiation also. So that is why we prefer to wear the white or light color clothes in summer and dark color clothes in winter. So we always wear the white and light color clothes in summer because the white colors are the good reflectors and a bad observer, whereas the dark color clothes are the good observers. So they absorb more light, heat, and they are the bad reflector. So that's why we wear the dark color clothes in winter and light color clothes in summer. What are the applications of radiations? Radiation application means uses. So radiations are used in solar cookers. Solar cooker make uses of heat radiation from the sun. The box of solar cooker is painted black from inside so that it absorbs the maximum heat radiations coming from the sun. And solar cooker is used to cook food. Solar panels. Solar panel to trap maximum solar energy to perform various activities such as heating water, cooking, lighting street and lamp, etc. So in solar panels, a black metal sheet is used to increase the absorption of heat from the heat rays. Now what are the properties of heat? Heat manifests itself into substances and has different effects on different materials. So what are the properties of heat? Number one, increase in temperature. When a substance is heated, it causes a rise in the temperature of this. For example, when water is heated, it becomes warmer. If one prolongs the heating, so it may increase in volume and expand. Change in state. The degree of heat given to a body temperature changes the state also. If we boil the water in a vessel, it will become change into steam. Sometimes this property of heat causes problem in our daily life also. During summer, iron railway tracks expand due to heat and causes derailing of trains. And to avoid this accident, a little space is left between two tracks when they are laid, otherwise they may cause the damage. And third is change in chemical composition. So heat brings about change in the chemical composition of a substance. When calcium carbonate CaCO3 is heated, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. That means calcium carbonate is heated and it changes into the chemical calcium oxide, that is CaO, and the CO2. By adding heat, a solid substance decomposes into murky white substance in a heated temperature and a gas is released, that is the carbon dioxide. So that means heat change the chemical composition of a substance. Now it also have some effects on living organism. So you must have seen your mother giving you boiled water to drink when you have fever. It is because heated water kills the bacteria and disease causing microorganism. So if we have throat problem, if we have cough and cold, we drink hot milk, even we gargle our throat with hot water. Why? Because heated water kills the microorganism. So all organism can only survive within a specific range of temperature. So these are the properties, the importance of heat. Now chapter is completed. Come to the checkpoint. Fill in the blanks. Bakelite, rubber and mica are all insulator of heat. Number 2. Solar cooker uses radiation method of heat transfer. Number 3. Radiation or heat waves can travel even without a medium. Number 4, the transfer of heat by the actual movement of molecules or particles is called convection. And number 5, iron tracks expand due to heat. So that's all for today.